20 RC Jones here with another one. This time I'm fixing the Kraton that I destroyed. So as you can see here, this came apart. I broke the bumper right there, front bumper. These came apart here. This needs to get set back in there. Back here, broke off the wing. Everything just came right apart. So what I'm going to be doing is quite a few upgrades. I've got RPM, as you can see that, RPM wing mounts. I've got some RPM front upper and lower arms. I've got some rear arms. Got a wheelie bar for the Outcast when you're throwing it on here. Skid plate. I got an RPM front bumper. I'll show you all this here. Yeah, I've got some other parts here, some miscellaneous things that I think I may or may not need. I know I need one of these because it's bent in the front, the hinge pin. What else I got? Got some screws. Hopefully those are the right ones. Is there another? This is this thing. You know what it's called? The front suspension mount. The bumper, whatever. Anyway, let's start. Let's get at it. All right, so here we are. What are we gonna do first? I say I'd like to attack. Oops, sorry, wrong side. Yeah, I'd like to attack the wing. So what do I need to do? Before this is the first time I'm working on the Kraton, so me learning with you. Okay, I need to loosen this here so I can get these off. Oh, first things first, let's get this off. Like I was saying, gotta get, let's see if I can show you better. This guy here loosened so I can get at these broken arms. Oops. Oh, this guy's just in the way. Let's get rid of him too. Like so. Now, look at this guy. So push her out. Okay. So, one, two. These guys come to the side. One is bigger than the other. Let's remember, the smaller one went on the left side. The larger one was on the right. Okay? Remind me. Okay. That's out. Now what I gotta do? Another one. Same one. Imagine so. One, two. Let's get those out of there. This guy, put this guy here. There we go. New RPM wing mounts for the Armor Kraton Italian Typhon. It's gotta be a part number. There we go. 81642. All right. Here we go. So it's marked R and L. Okay. I gotta loosen this guy too. bad angle for you guys, sorry. Should be doing it like this, my bad. I just turn them. Just pivot them. Cool. So now I can get it's in there like this. And this one will go into now. Yep. Alright, so I do have one issue. Snapped screws. How am I gonna get those out? This is gonna be a problem. Screw snapped inside here. This one's pretty flush. This one's a little recessed. And on the back of it, it's recessed. It's flush here, and on the back of this one, it sticks out a bit. So I might get lucky with that one. New strategy again. So I'm gonna leave that for a little bit later. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to work on this part. So I'm gonna attach everything here. See how the wheelie bar looks on here. And then I'll work on the rest. Let's get to it. So to get this off, it's a 2mm. Let's see what it is. So I put on my screws. It's a magnetic tray. To keep it handy. That's the wheelie bar out. It's part number AR320366. Nothing fancy. Just the wheelie bar. There you go. Just like that, see? See? Goes in like that. All right. All right. That's on there now. Now let's get this onto this. So these go inside of there. Oh, look at that. Just like that. Same thing on the other side. See, they fit right in. Cool. There. See, it's the same thing on here. They just sit inside of there. Cool. Nice. So then this will sit in here like so. It's basically like that. So I got a wheelie bar. Cool. Let's see what happens. Now, on to the next thing. All right, we're back. Couple technical difficulties. Camera's overheating. These rear arms didn't fit. I had to take them off and put them back on. The original one's back on, but yeah, here we are. I'm now working on the front ones. It's getting the new bumper on. Got the old bumper off. What's left of it anyway. I need to figure out how this guy goes back on. I'm pretty sure it's like this. Yep. Okay, so I don't need that yet. Working on getting these off right now. Seeing where this guy goes. There's a couple holes there. Just lining it up with the old one. Shit. I know where to put the new one. Okay. Assuming then this just goes into there then. Okay, I'm assuming that this red part that came off here does not need to go back on. I think it's just decorative. Because they're like the same height. So I'm gonna just put this bad boy back on. Yeah, seems like it just screws in, so here we go. Okay, that seems simple enough. Let's take a look. Yeah, this guy's all... It's not very straight anymore. Let's just say that. What needs to be done? Oh, just 1, 2. That's it. That's simple. One. Little shim thing. Let's see. We need it. Where's the other one? Looks so. Let's put it back on. Let's get the other guy on now. Now, let's get this bumper on there. All right. That looks pretty good to go. Oh, there's a shim somewhere. There. Supposed to be 2 shims in there. That's it. Let's get these tires back on and call it a day. All right. That is that. I got this on. I don't know why they stick out like that now. I got the RPM bumper on, the upper and lower arms. I tried to get the rears on, but they didn't line up. All the holes didn't line up. This here didn't, let's see it, but the rear one, I don't know what this is called. The rear one of this here, it wouldn't let both of them line up in there. So it sits like this. The two of them need to go into those parts, and they would not, for the life of me, go in there. So I'm not sure if I got the wrong ones or what's up, but that is it for now. I've got this thing all back together, ready to rip. Can't wait. Oh, that blue does look nice with this though, eh? What do you think? On a new nice bumper too. Yeah, let's see how long that lasts. All right, guys. Thanks for staying tuned. Until the next one, or I'll probably be ripping this thing again. Missed it. Guys, take care. To the next one.